Yo, what's going on, everybody? Is Robert back at you with another little tutorial type video and review kind of deal, whatever you want to call it. What I'm doing here is on the Evocel cell phone case, available off of Amazon. I got it for my LG Stylo 3, and let's just go over it real quick. It does have all your provisions for your charger, your headphone jack. My fingers are too big, y'all. Anyway, your headphone jack, opening for your stylus, and then of course your camera, and then power on and off button, and volume up and down switches. Now, I think I've seen a lot of reviews on Amazon come back a little bit later and ask, how do you get the phone out of the case? Because when you get the case, it does come like this, and here's the problem. There's no instructions. It comes in like a little plastic bag like this. Well, I guess maybe the manufacturer assumed people had common sense. Well, I was one of those people that didn't at the time that I got it, because I looked at the case and I was like, okay, and figured out that the phone would simply actually did snap down into the case. Then, like I said, on Amazon questions, you know, people are like, well, how do you get the phone out of the case? Which was a really good question when you snapped your phone in the case and didn't realize that the case actually come apart, which it does. And that's what I'm going to show you how to do right now. So before you put your phone in your Evocel phone case, oh yeah, it's got the little kickstand, you know, dilly. So, you know, it was a good case for like 10 bucks. Really good deal. So what you're going to do is we are going to remove the outer gold piece. These little round rubber things here, they unsnap out of the back housing. So simply and gently use your fingernails and give it a little tug, and these will come unsnapped. Watch out for your kickstand because it will fall out, and just go around the whole case like so. They are tight and you don't want to crack your case. So there goes our back piece off. Now that still leaves us with the front piece in. With the front piece, we're going to start at the top. Same thing. Get a fingernail in there, pull it apart, and give it a tug. So now, here we go. Here's how they probably should have shipped the phone case, like this. So actually, to put your phone in, let's take our front piece, snap it around our phone, go in the bottom first, get the little notches lined up like so, and then finish snapping it in. Okay, now don't forget your kickstand. Now your kickstand is going to operate this way so you can get your finger in it. Okay, and there's a notch right there. There's a notch there. So make sure you just line those two notches up so you can still get your fingernail in there to operate your kickstand. This is going to stay put once we get it back on here. So let's flip our phone over. You see our little rubber nibbies. I don't know what to call them. What else would you call them? I just call them nibbies. Nubs. Nibbies. And just give everything a good hard push down until the little rubber nibbies, you'll actually hear them kind of snap back into place. And that's it. That's how you get your phone actually into the Evocel phone case. Now to remove your phone, take a sharp object, a little knife, and just come along the edges. And there again, you can probably hear the little nubbies pop loose. Turn it around. There again, pop that one. Ugh, it's tight, y'all. Pop that one. Remove that. Don't lose your kickstand, because that thing loves to fly. I'm telling you. And then start at the top. Just pick one of the top corners and kind of push out like so, and then this bottom is, I don't know what hangs up there, and then give your phone a push out, and that's it. That's how you actually get your phone into and out of the Amazon Evocel phone case. Alright, if this video was a help and you liked it, give it a thumbs up, please. Subscribe to the channel if this was interesting to you, and check out some of my other videos of just some of my nonsense. I'd appreciate it. Alright guys, have a great day.